Hey guys, I'm Thor from Iceland in Motion. Hey. So I'm gonna take a look at cloud cover and activity for tonight. And I have here a group called Northern Lights Iceland. Uh, if you have Facebook, it's a pretty good group. We often post on here, me and Christina. And uh, it's good when I post the forecast. It's good to post it in the comments, so the forecast will not just like get lost in all these beautiful photos. But I'm also on YouTube under Iceland in Motion, and you can find. I think if you look at Iceland in Motion, you can find like in the videos for each day. I just started this, so I'm gonna be doing this also. Also, if you're interested, I have like a Northern Light Assistant group, which is like a WhatsApp group where I post like good areas. For example, here I'm posting areas with clear sky currently, and I also have like pins dependent on where you are. Let's say you are in Reykjavik, I put pins in areas where you can drive and park each night, and I update this like green are likely, yellow are could be clouded, and this applies all over Iceland. I also have a map of all Iceland with general pins, but this is like specifically for those in areas that you're close to. And I do also update through the night and talk about activity, what we can expect, so forth. And I'm gonna take a look at activity first, see what's been happening. I often go to Space Weather Live. I ignore the KP. I can see the solar wind is enhanced. This is coming from a specific area on the sun. So if this combines with good magnetic alignment, it's going to be good. So we see this graph here. This is the most important. I have a explanatory video on how this works also. If you join the group, basically this going negative now. This means there are probably like faded lights already, and probably good lights between 9 and 10. So if you are somewhere close to a clear sky, you could go out and you will see pretty good lights between 9 and 10. So what we see here will build up to a substorm peak around 9:10, possibly might even be a little bit sooner. We'll see. So if you are already there at 8, and then you just wait. Most importantly, to have a clear sky. So if this keeps going negative throughout the night, we will have like northern lights peaks every 3 hours or so. So activity looks good. So the big question is the cloud cover. So I'm gonna take a look here at Zoom Earth. This is like a satellite photo. Satellite photos give me more accurate, more precise outlook of what's actually going on. It's not a forecast, it's just a photo that tells me when I learn to read into it where the clouds are. So for example, on the sea, very dark areas here on the sea, it's a clear sky, and also darker areas on land are also clear sky. The blue stuff you can see, these are clouds, and also the white stuff, these are high clouds, probably above sometimes the blue stuff. So although I can see through it a little bit here from Hub to Glacier Lagoon, I can see mostly high clouds. So maybe we will see through it here. But definitely now, when this is a photo from 8:30, no 7:30, so I can see like here I can see Mýrdalsjökull glacier, Eyjafjallajökull. So here like a little bit west of Vík towards Hvolsvöllur maybe. This area, if you're in Hvolsvöllur, you'd have to go a little bit further closer to Seljalandsfoss, and you should have a clear sky now. This changes, of course. This area here, like from Reykjavik, is opening up, and on the coastline here in Krýsuvík, close to Grindavík, Garður, it's probably good enough. So, but we also have, like, if we move it a little bit, we can see how it's moving. Go back. It's open. So, although these clouds here, they might be moving in a little bit, but it's probably like Reykjavik, probably Grótta is enough now, but I would go like this way instead of going to Þingvellir, because I can see there is a lot of clouds here in Þingvellir. If you are in Snæfellsnes Peninsula, maybe going here a little bit towards southern part would be some openings, because I can see it's a little bit darker here. Borgarnes, maybe into the area here, or even in here in Melasveit, even though I can see like there is blue inside it, it's like some openings, like partly open, but best area definitely here around the coast between Keflavik and Reykjavik, maybe like north of Flúðir, like here. Akureyri seems mostly clouded at the moment. Maybe slight openings north of Egilsstaðir, but mostly clouded. So best areas definitely like from Skógafoss or like west of Vík towards Hvolsvöllur and Reykjanes. So Reykjavik, I would go into that area here, or maybe just in Grótta. So I'm giving you like this general locations, but you know, if you want something like this every night with like Google Maps pins, as I have here, I have like a map of all Iceland somewhere here. Let's see. Oh, I can't find it. I have a map of all Iceland that I pinned, but often I'm doing like, you see, like, you know, with pins, good areas, questionable, and probably bad. Like red is bad, yellow maybe, green is good. And for each night, I will ask you like where you are, and for example, yeah, today yellow is like means like maybe or later, but green is probably possible from now. So if you want something like that, you can always join the tour. It's a week pass. I don't know, $70 or something like that for cloud cover updates every night, activity, and also updates after dark. Of course, I can't turn the lights on, but I can like help you a little bit evaluate where to be and maybe if there is going to be activity, and sometimes I can tell you precisely what time, not always though. Yeah, so good luck for tonight, and yeah, you can always go check my Instagram also. Well, that's not me, this is my former client, but yeah, Iceland in Motion, and you can also watch like last night. I was just driving home, we saw this is around 8, and I could tell my people to be at location before, so those who listen to me, they saw this. And I also do private tours, and then I take you privately out to a good location. It's a little bit pricey, but for those who want that and great photos of yourself, I can do that also. But yeah, this is free, so good luck tonight, and goodbye.